Have you ever wondered how businesses successfully navigate the complex world of contracts? Welcome to Master Contract Management. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of any business operation, contract management. Whether you're a business owner, a contract manager, or just looking to brush up on your knowledge, this tutorial will guide you through the general principles of contract management, the stages involved, and how to manage contracts effectively. Let's get started. What is contract management? Contract management is the systematic process of handling all aspects of a contract from its creation through to its execution, performance monitoring, and renewal or termination. It involves ensuring that agreements are clearly defined, complying with legal requirements, mitigating risks, and maintaining open lines of communication among all parties involved. By mastering these principles and stages, you can streamline operations, minimize risks, and maximize the value derived from each contract. General principles of contract management. At its core, contract management involves the administration of the entire lifecycle of a contract. Here are the key principles to keep in mind. First, clarity is key. Ensure that all terms and conditions are clearly defined and documented to avoid misunderstandings. Second, compliance. Always ensure that the contract complies with all relevant laws and regulations. Third, risk management. Identifying and mitigating risks is crucial. This involves assessing potential risks and incorporating clauses to manage these risks. Fourth, communication. Constant communication between all parties involved is essential for contract success. Fifth, performance monitoring. Regularly track the performance metrics outlined in the contract to ensure that all parties meet their obligations. Stages of contract management. Now, let's break down the stages of contract management. Typically, the contract management process is divided into several key stages. Stage 1. Initiation. This is the stage where the need for a contract is identified. It involves understanding the requirements, drafting a preliminary agreement, and identifying stakeholders. Stage 2. Negotiation. During this phase, the terms and conditions are discussed and agreed upon by all parties involved. The goal is to reach a mutual agreement that benefits everyone. Stage 3. Execution. Once the contract terms are finalized, all parties sign the contract to make it legally binding. This step also includes official documentation and record keeping. Stage 4. Monitoring and compliance. After execution, it's essential to monitor the contract to ensure that all parties comply with the agreed-upon terms. This involves regular check-ins, performance reviews, and audits. Stage 5. Amendments. Sometimes, changes need to be made to the original contract. During this stage, any modifications or amendments are negotiated and documented. Never forget to document the changes formally in the contract. Stage 6. Renewal or termination. As a contract nears its end date, you'll need to decide whether to renew or terminate it. This stage involves evaluating performance and making informed decisions about the contract's future. And there you have it. A comprehensive look at the general principles, stages, and effective management of contracts. By adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure that your contracts are compliant, efficient, and beneficial to your business operations. We hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights into managing contracts and renewals effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.